If you need to cancel a pending transfer on Hargreaves Lansdown, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process is completed correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Access the Hargreaves Lansdown website and log into your account using your username and password. Make sure you have your account details handy. Step 2. Navigate to transfers. Once logged in, locate the transfers section in your account dashboard. This is where you can view all your pending and completed transfers. Step 3. Find the pending transfer. In the transfer section, look for the specific transfer you wish to cancel. It should be listed under pending transfers, so click on it to view the details. Step 4. Select cancel option. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SR to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. You will likely be prompted to confirm your decision to cancel the transfer. Review any information provided and confirm the cancellation. You should receive a notification or confirmation message once the process is complete. By following these steps, you can successfully cancel a pending transfer on Hargreaves Lansdown. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to their customer support for assistance.